There's been a lot of things going on lately in politics, a lot of bills being passed in the middle of the night. Whether you agree with them or not, I think it's really important that we understand what our rights and freedoms are. Hi, my name's Karen, the host of Thriving Talk. Today in my Know Your Charter series, we are talking about Section 10 of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. This is a section about arrests and detainments. So this is what it says. Everyone has the right on arrest or detention, A, to be informed promptly of the reasons therefor, B, to retain and instruct counsel without delay, and to be informed of that right. And C, to have the validity of the detention determined by way of habeas corpus, and to be released if the detention is not lawful.
Habeas corpus is a recourse in law through which a person can report an unlawful detention or imprisonment to a court and request that the court order the custodian of the person, usually a prison official, to bring the prisoner to court to determine whether the detention is lawful.
So this section 10, applies to a person when they are being arrested or detained. This ensures that people under arrest have a chance to challenge the unlawfulness of their arrest. The police must tell them quickly, so that's interesting, it must be quick, the reasons for their arrest. And these people also have the right to talk to a lawyer to get legal advice about their situation. And the police must tell them what their legal aid services are available in the area that they're in. Persons under arrest also have the right to ask a judge to decide whether their arrest was legal, and if it was not, to order their release. So that is what Section 10 of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms talks about. I think it's very important in case we have the unfortunate situation of being detained or arrested, whether it's valid or not, that we understand what our rights and freedoms are. And as we do that, hopefully it will all go smoothly and everything will work out the way that it should. So hopefully you have found this informative. So I wanted to share a quote now from Gandhi.
He said, "Be the change you want to see in the world."
I look at that and I think, if you don't like the way politics is going, if you don't like what our politicians are doing, it's time to stand up and email, share your voice, let it be heard. But if you do like what's going on, make sure you also email your politicians, your MLAs, your MPs, and you tell them, you know what, thank you for doing a good job on this or on that. Let them know. They're supposed to be our voice, but if they don't hear our voice, how are they supposed to do what all of our voices are wanting? So knowledge is power. Know your charter. Know what your rights and freedoms are. And if you have found this helpful and useful, please subscribe, like, and share. And hopefully, this knowledge is power. And the more knowledge we have, the more thriving lives we will have. And that's my purpose here, is to try to enrich our lives to help us all have more thriving lives. So hopefully I have helped with that. So please be sure to catch the other episodes of my Know Your Charter series. And until next time, take care. Bye.